Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming host permissions and opening the meeting link in Teams. This gives you controls. Once done, test your mic and camera so audio and video are reliable. Do a quick speaker check to avoid feedback. Make sure notifications are muted to prevent interruptions. Open the participants list and chat early so you can monitor joins and questions. These first actions reduce delays and let you focus on running the meeting smoothly from minute one. Now manage attendees and what they can do. You can move people between attendee and presenter roles. This controls who shares content. When presenting, choose Screen, Window, or PowerPoint Live depending on privacy and performance. PowerPoint Live preserves animations and lets others navigate slides. Enable recording and live captions for accessibility and later review. Once you adjust meeting options, like lobby behavior, finish decisively. Stop recording, save materials to Teams or OneDrive, then end the meeting for everyone if you're the host. Make sure action items are clear by posting notes and the recording link in chat. If someone has audio or video problems, first ask them to mute and unmute, then restart Teams. Switching to the browser client or a different device often fixes persistent issues. If screen sharing fails, try sharing a single window or upload the file directly to avoid bandwidth problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.